Hey guys, it's Mr. Bogazan coming to you with our September Terrific Titan. Just want to let you know that this person shows all of our Super 16. They're more than willing to be the best person they can be. They stand up for what they believe in. They treat others the way they want to be treated. They never cut in line. They're always honest. And they're just a great person. So that's why they became our September Terrific Titan. And that person is Miss Cora Hell. Cora, thank you for becoming our September Terrific Titan. I've made some little notes that you're hardworking, you're polite, you're helpful, and you treat others like they want to be treated. Not just treating yourself, you treat others probably better than you expect yourself. So, congratulations, Cora. Awesome job. Keep up the great work.